Okay, so we've got these stickers made up. Brad's putting them on. That looks pretty good, I think. The sun in my eyes. Yeah, that looks good. Now the sun's on.
Big area.
You need the squeegee from the shower, maybe?
Well, you normally put them on wet.
Oh,
That's what I said to the bloke. He said, with the squeegee, and he said, he reckons no, but I don't know. That's the way I always done them.
no.
He's the man, though.
Do you want me to go and get the squeegee?
Well, about halfway now.
Use the cloth. You got a cloth? Well, that won't work either. Gradually, I guess.
Such an awkward spot too. I need something to stand on there.
Whoops.
That'd be nice.
Whoops. Oh.
Not looking too bad, is it?
No, it's pretty good from this angle. What do you think?
You don't want to get it back off in a hurry. There's no
Nah, we don't want it to come off.
Air, no air bubbles.
You haven't squashed, there's one bit, no. Might be some little... The other one's going to be different because it's been cut out. This is just rectangle. The one for the back of the van. I don't know what to call it. Anyway. This is us. We put it on that side because it's the driver's side. People coming towards us can see it. That's the theory.
You won't see much doing 100, but I think 90 k's an hour.
No, probably not. But anyway. The theory's there. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, at least.
Righto.
The van has our name on it.
This is gloss white and gloss white.
Beg your pardon?
Gloss white on the gloss white.
Oops, beautiful.
Well, that's one down there.
Thanks, Brad.
One down.
That looks awesome. I'm going to have a look over here. What do you think? It's on. Let me know what you think. Right. We've got a new sticker for the back of the van.
Should probably get glasses.
Here, give it to me. I'll hold it and you get your glasses. Wait to see what this is like. It's going up there.
Now, can you just go back and tell me roughly how high you want it? And
Yeah.
put it right.
Oh, the sun's in my eyes. Sun's in the camera.
You want
Oh,
that between there and there? That looks straight, or
yeah, that looks pretty good. What's the top of it like? Like the... That looks pretty good. That looks smick.
Do you reckon right inside down a little or not?
Ah, now you're... my eyes might
The
be...
engine's crooked.
All right, well you do it. I don't...
I know I can tell.
I'm probably at the wrong angle.
See the line there, the straighter?
Yeah, and see the...
Well, that's going up.
All right, okay. All right. I obviously have crooked eyes. It was an angle. Or maybe I'm not that fussy. If I have to look that close to see it straight, I think it's pretty well straight. What do you think, guys? That's still a little bit higher, if you ask me. Yep.
Down a bit?
Down, yeah, the Ange
Down.
side is a bit higher.
And down, and the whole lot down smoothly. That's pretty good.
I'm not even saying my eyes are crooked.
No, that's pretty good.
Or maybe it's where I'm standing.
I reckon that is pretty good. It's even everywhere. It's nice.
All right.
So,
Now he's got to stick it.
spot on.
Oh, he's up there checking it that way.
Crusader word is perfect with dolly and aquarium. Let's do it, eh?
Yeah, do it. I'll try and get out of the sun for these guys because that's very bright. Here we go.
This one's easy to put on in the other one.
Is it?
Yeah. Way easier. These, I don't want to forget Tassie.
And the little bumps and humps, the little islands that they've cleverly
Guess
cut
what?
out. What?
No humps and bumps there, eh? That's all. All the little islands.
Yeah, we don't want them
got
falling.
King Island on here. I'm not sure what that one's called, but
Well, that's just the map I found. Because I created that on Canva. Made it really easy.
that little island there, just pop on there, stayed on there.
Yep, we don't want them to fall off.
They won't fall off.
They won't?
No.
Oh, tree's prickly. Poke me Ned. Slowly, slowly. The
Little
big
island.
reveal.
Little island.
Hmm. Now everybody will know when they're following us who we are.
There's Tassie. Monkey Maya. It's got this rainy little dot. Oh, it's the only one.
What?
Monkey Maya's the only one.
What? That didn't stick?
Didn't stick.
Oh, Brad. Oh,
I need something real small and sharp to straighten it up.
don't worry about it. No one's going to see
Straighten
it.
that up. And I need a blade.
Oh. No one's even going to see it on there. It's that tiny. That little bit.
No one will ever see it.
Look, it doesn't even, look, I can't even get it on the camera. It's that.
No one will ever see it except for me when I walk past it every time. Monkey Maya's
Is
got
that that is joined to the...
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's just too little to hang on. Monkey Maya about there?
I don't know, Brad.
I
It's
do.
your story.
That's it. Fixed.
Fixed. Someone will come along now and go, no, it's not right, it doesn't go that angle.
Pretty close inch.
So check out Monkey Maya for us and tell us if it's
Better than
not
what it
right.
was.
Oops. And there is our new sticker. What do you think? Let us know.